In this clip, we will demonstrate the feature of transforming a UML model to the Spring DSL model and the Spring annotated Java code that's available in the RSA edition of Skyway Builder. We start out with a UML model, and we can open it up and we can see that it's actually already been created for us. And we're at the step now that we want to transform that model into the Spring DSL, and we start out with a blank DSL model. We can see that's empty, and a blank generated model. So no generated code, no source code exists. So we'll take this UML model and we'll go through the normal process that any RSA designer does, which is goes to the modeling menu item and creates a new transformation configuration. We'll give it a name, UML to Java Spring. And we will select another item from the transformation dropdown, which is available through the UML profile provided by Skyway, which is a UML to Java Spring transformation. And we'll hit Next. And then we'll select our to and from. So we're interested in the model, the UML model that we want to transform. So we'll select the Spring transformation model. And if we open that up, you can see what we're actually going to transform is the rent-a-car application. And what we've modeled is the DAO, the domain, the service, and the web. So we'll close that back up and we'll select our target. So our target project is the rent-a-car web. We'll hit finish. So RSA is now creating the configuration file for our transformation. And when that's completed, we will simply go ahead and run it. We can take a look at what the defaults are in here, but I won't show that during the clip. And we'll just go ahead and run it. And now it's going through the transformation engine. And it's anything that's not stereotyped will go through the normal RSA transformation. Anything that is stereotyped will drop down to the Skyway transformation. So now if we open up the DSL model, we see that we have the DSL representation of the rent-a-car that was modeled out in UML, as well as in the target project, we also see the generated code based on the DAO and the domain and service and web, and we also have a source for a non-stereotype class.